Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's actually discuss what we discussed yesterday and in the weekly analysis. Then we'll see like what has happened, okay, in the market. So first let's start what happened today. Today Bank Nifty has come down towards the end, okay. So I'll take you to the daily charts in some time. So usme we formed a red candle. So now we don't know if selling can come or not, okay. Let's discuss that. In the week, okay, in the weekly analysis, I told you if this week basically target OTM put sell, okay, for this week, and those have decayed a lot, okay. Matlab we have made damn good profit this week, okay. So that logic has worked. I also told you that okay, so we expect in this weekly candle either to be a bullish biased candle like this or a pop, okay. So not too much movement on the downside especially. So that has also become correct. So I would like, I think this is very accurate. I don't see this kind of analysis on any other YouTube channels. So इसमें मेरे हिसाब से तो if I were you and if some guy was giving me such kind of logics, instead of criticizing or like wanting something else, I would make a notebook and write down each logic I'm giving you. This is very simple actually. I'm just looking at the past. We discussed, I took you to a few charts, okay, पिछले इसमें, और पीछे जाके मैंने दिखाया था आपको कि कैसे move होता है वो. So that's what we did this week and we are sitting with good profits. Now let's discuss the daily chart. First of all, let's mark the support. The support, yeah, one person told me yesterday to like tell the levels out loud. So first support which I'm seeing is 53,350. Okay, so this is a support for us, but you know the market looks stretched for me because constantly it's going up. So what can happen? I actually think this might happen. We might pause maybe near the all-time high for intraday purpose, but this may actually come down a lot and then it might resume its upward journey. ठीक है, क्योंकि बहुत मतलब everyone is bullish now in Bank Nifty, and usually I've seen when everyone becomes bullish, what these people try to do, they take the market down, and anyone who doesn't have a lot of conviction, they have small stops, okay, those people are out of the system. So very few people get to ride the actual move, okay. So yesterday we discussed in options, have a cautious view, do not go fresh long here, okay. So today is a red candle, so definitely we had strangles, okay. So we made profits in puts also and calls also, ठीक है. Put वालों को भी profit हुआ रहता, I'm guessing. Now again I'm telling you it's time to be cautious. Again daily I'm going to tell you the same thing. ठीक है, मेरा neutral view है मेरा, and if today's low is broken, I expect the market to come down and minimum at least test the all-time high, okay. That's what I expect. And the two levels where we'll attempt to buy Bank Nifty is when it comes down near the 53,350 level, or when it comes down the 52,000, 750 level, okay. So I'm telling all these levels out loud, okay. So keep an eye out for when Bank Nifty comes there. Now see, if Nikki was doing this video, what she would see, he would give you a pole and flag formation here, okay, which means if the market crosses the last 2 days high, we'll get a pole and flag breakout. We need a candle close, okay, iske upar. So if uske upar Bank Nifty goes, I mean, I don't want to play bullish, but I have to play bullish then because the price is telling me to be bullish. But I can control, okay. Now I do not want to risk a lot if this fails, okay. So if I risk 1 rupee usually now always, now what I'll do, I'll half that risk, okay, and bet only 0.5, okay. So even if I get a bullish view, I'm going to bet half of the original risk which I plan all the time, and I would urge all of you to do the same as well. We are looking for on the bullish side is this candle closing above this and this rectangle ke niche, which is the 53,850 level, okay. 53,850 ke niche, if you get a candle close like this, what I'm going to do, my bias is going to be, see, if this low is broken, I'll probably start thinking, okay, 54,300 and above calls might go to 0. So I'll start targeting these call sells, okay. Simple plan for tomorrow. और अभी तो मतलब मेरा कैसा like view है ना, मेरे को 0.3 0.4 मिल गया अगर कल, मैं बहुत खुश रहूंगा मेरा, क्योंकि वीक बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, तो मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं ज्यादा कल. Now let's look at Nifty. See Nifty, yesterday what I wrote down, I've kept the same thing here, I didn't erase it. So यहाँ पे we discussed, do not play bearish in Nifty unless 25,850 level is broken. Now why am I saying that? क्योंकि वहां पे अगर वो टूटा तो then only bearish momentum can come, okay, fast wala. Okay, so this is not that from like, because I see a lot of YouTubers what they say, see अगर lift ना second floor के ऊपर है तो first floor पे नहीं जाएगी. अरे logically it can't go, you know, second cross करके ही जाएगा ना वो, तो वैसा, ठीक है. What I mean to say when I say this is, whenever 25,850 is broken on the downside, 15 minute का strong one candle at least minimum, ठीक है, उसके बाद fresh momentum can come on the downside. So what we can do then, if this is broken, we can start targeting calls, OTM calls कोई भी. So same, I'm again telling you in Nifty, do not take any bearish bet in Nifty unless 25,850 is broken. उसके बाद if this breaks and if you lose, I think you should be okay with it because it's based on price. 15-minute charts पे again Nikita would tell you the same thing. I see a pole and flag formation here, okay. So I'm waiting for a down move or an up move, okay, from here. Now wherever the market goes, I'm going to follow the market there. ठीक है, तो मुझे खुद का ब्रेन नहीं लड़ाना है इसमें ज्यादा. And you know, like I covered the Fin Nifty analysis yesterday, but today was a very scary day for them, especially after 2:30 p.m. Don't do 0DT. Okay, I'm telling you, don't do it. Try to go in next week options. और अकॉर्डिंग टू मी बैंक निफ्टी या सेंसेक्स ही खेलो बस. ये सब फालतू है ये 0DT वगैरह. एंड वन मोर थिंग, इफ यू वांट टू रियली इंप्रूव, ओके, बिकॉज मी एंड निकिता डू दिस, आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग विद यू. ट्राई टू फॉर्म अ मिस्टेक का लिस्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल, ओके, लाइक वन पर्सन टोल्ड मी यस्टरडे, आई टोल्ड सेड ATH है, तो ATH पे डोंट ट्राई अ बेरिश ट्रेड. तो ही बॉट सम पुट्स एंड ही लॉस्ट मनी इन द स्पाइक. ओके, तो सिंपल मेंटेन अ मिस्टेक का लिस्ट. ठीक है, तो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, यू आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर ATH bought puts, okay, for example, and lost. Secondly, I basically on an expiry day, what I can do, I lost 1.5% on an expiry day. But do you make 1.5%? Okay, so then probably it's wrong. Okay, so ऐसे कर करके try to make a mistake का list and try not to repeat anything. So what this does, this puts in our brain कि what you have done, मतलब actual mistake कहाँ पे हुआ है ना, this tells you that. So I would advise all of you, especially I read certain comments, वो बोलते हैं कि पैसा नहीं बन रहा है कुछ वगैरह. तो try to do this. मतलब if you want to share your mistake list with me, I am very open to that also. You can email me or Twitter DM me that list. Okay, मैं तो like I तो love reading other people's journal also, because like what my conclusion I have no many times, like the person in front of me has a totally different conclusion to that. For example, मैंने decide किया है, okay, let's just take this day as an example. So you got an up move and then sideways day. So what I may say, okay, I may say that this level should go to 0 because a strong buying came from here, okay, and that's what I would write in my journal. And the person मेरे सामने वाला जो रहेगा, he'll say intraday में, okay, it was coming down properly, so this red candle also should go. So like two different things, two opposite things are there, and I get to see my blind spots also. Okay, so please do journaling and make your mistakes ka list. For expiry day tomorrow, in general, I am telling you risk very low, okay, because like the spikes might come again soon. Okay, try for next week options and wait for Nifty में bearish simple I told you 25,850 के नीचे, and bullish you can continue with a small size above 26,000 level. Same for Bank Nifty, below 53,800 level you will try to play bearish then in Bank Nifty and try to target this the highest point to sell calls. And if the market goes up, Nikita, remember, she's going to tell you pole and flag formation. So you're going to target puts below 53,800 then in that case, okay, if it goes up. So that's all I think for this video. I'm trying to I'll do one Q&A video also very soon, okay. So Q&A में I'll take a lot of questions. Varna, you know, a lot of people have this question about GSEC and all. I can address all those questions in that Q&A video. So let's try for that sometime very soon. And live and all, I do not know how to do that. So मुझे वो भी सीखना पड़ेगा. Then I'll like probably do that soon, okay. So that's it for this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.